Maintaining your garbage disposal. Keeping your garbage disposal running well is incredibly easy. Here are a few tips from our experienced team of technicians that will help you avoid any issues. Try to clean your garbage disposal at least once a month. The best way to clean it is with ice. Ice helps clean out the gunk and sharpen the blades. Fill the disposal with ice cubes and pour some dish detergent into the drain. Then, turn the garbage disposal on and off, only letting it run for a couple of seconds each time until the ice is broken into smaller pieces. Once the ice is mostly broken down, turn on the water and run the disposal until it's running smoothly. Now that your disposal is nice and clean, here are some ways you can keep it clean and well maintained. Avoid putting lemon or lime wedges down the disposal. Contrary to popular belief, they don't clean the disposal. They may cover up some of the odor, but they can actually add to the buildup and create more issues. Do not put coffee grounds down the drain. Coffee grounds will clog the disposal and build up in the pipes over time. Never run grease down the drain. As it cools, grease solidifies and can create blockages in the pipes. And finally, avoid putting any hard or fibrous food or materials down the disposal. Things like eggshells, stems, seeds, and nuts all can take a toll on your disposal and cause issues. It's best to put those items in the trash. So that's it. Use ice and some dish detergent to regularly clean your disposal and avoid putting those things down your garbage disposal, and it should take care of you for years to come. For more home maintenance tips and fixes, please check out our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.